Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best offerings in the world of electrical components. The Square D by Schneider Electric HOM120CP Homeline 20-amp single-pole circuit breaker. This breaker is renowned for its reliability and ease of installation, making it a favorite among DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Let's start by unpacking what makes the Square D HOM120CP stand out. This breaker features a plug-on design, which simplifies the installation process significantly. Whether you're upgrading an existing panel or starting from scratch, its straightforward setup ensures a hassle-free experience. One of the standout features of the HOM120CP is its switching duty rating, SWD, for 20-amp single-pole breakers. This ensures robust performance under various electrical loads, making it suitable for both residential and light commercial applications. Designed to work seamlessly with Homeline load centers and CSED devices, this breaker supports 120 by 240 volt AC systems, offering versatility in electrical setups without compromising on safety or performance. Measuring at 2.98 inches in diameter, 1 inch in width, and 3.13 inches in height, the HOM120CP maintains a compact profile without sacrificing functionality. Its sturdy build quality ensures longevity and durability, capable of withstanding regular electrical demands. Whether you're upgrading your home's electrical panel, adding new circuits, or ensuring compliance with electrical codes, the Square D HOM120CP is a reliable choice. Its compatibility with a wide range of applications makes it a versatile solution for electrical contractors and DIY enthusiasts alike. In comparison to other circuit breakers in its class, the HOM120CP stands out due to its ease of installation, robust build quality, and compatibility with Schneider Electric's Homeline series. It's competitively priced, offering excellent value for money when considering its reliability and performance. To wrap up, the Square D by Schneider Electric HOM120CP Homeline 20-amp single-pole circuit breaker is undoubtedly a top contender in its category. Whether you're a professional electrician or a homeowner looking to upgrade your electrical infrastructure, this breaker offers the perfect balance of performance, reliability, and ease of installation. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product analyses. Let us know in the comments if you've had experience with the Square D HOM120CP or if there are other products you'd like us to review next. Until next time, stay tuned and stay informed.